We love the new 2018 Ford Mustang, especially the loud and powerful Mustang GT. But, even though it's a beautiful sound that emits from that engine, we can all understand why you'd maybe not want your car to wake up the neighborhood when you decide to take it for an early morning spin. Thankfully, Ford has a fix for you. Ford has developed a quiet start mode, which is also known as the good neighbor mode. The 2018 Ford Mustang GT comes with an industry-first quiet start mode, or good neighbor mode. That makes sure the 2018 Ford Mustang GT is outputting minimal engine noise. You can even schedule your car to automatically start with a lower volume between certain hours. The quiet start mode reduces the noise of the Mustang GT starting up by about 10 decibels. Which reduces the overall volume to around 72 decibels. For comparison, that's the amount of noise you might find in a household dishwasher.